Hey lovelies, how are you all doing? I finally decided to take out my braid. I've had this braid for like a month. I was just being lazy to take it out. You know how time consuming it can be. So, well, I did it. And here is my hair moisturized, washed, dried. No, no, not moisturized. I'm not gonna moisturize it. So with this ponytail, I want to do. You need your hair to be super moisturized to be able to style the hair. And my hair, as you know, is quite thick, so I have to do a lot of moisturizing. So I've put my normal hair cream, my Cantu, and this is just my spray with a detangler inside, and I just partitioned my line. And now I am gonna style it. Oh, look how thick it was to even partition it. It's very hard. So I later moisturize it a little bit more. So add water. That's the secret to to be able to manage 4C hair. You have to add water so you can comb it. So well, look at me struggling is real. Then I put my Cantu. So feel free to put as much as you want, but I will not be putting too much. And I just need the hair to be soft enough for me to style it. So which I am achieving, I can say. Oh well, this style is on the go. There is no too much styling, not too much. I don't want too much activity on my hair. As they say, it's quick hairstyle. This is what I call it. So I'm just gonna put my hair in a ponytail. Feel free to add any ponytail of your choice. And there's so many. I wanted to actually add one of the ponytail, but I'm in a hurry and I don't have the time. So if you have time, if you have like an old attachment, you can just put it around the tip of your hair, like so I don't know, but I don't have time for that. So this hair is sharp, so there will not be a lot going on with the hair. So I just want to show you how I put my ponytail, my fringe, my curly fringe. This is one of the simplest style. Like if you're in a rush, this is for you. You need to. So after I putting my hair in a bun, so I'm putting it up rather. Sorry. Feel free to add any eco styler, any whatever of your choice. I put like more of this gel, and I'm gonna brush it a little bit more, so it's just lying where it should lie. So there's nothing coming out that I don't want. So as you can see, not too bad at all, because my hair was so dry before styling it. So I put a lot of water, a lot of products, and that's how you go with 4C hair. Now it's time to put my fringe. I love this curly fringe. It's my best thing ever. If you're in a rush, just go for it. First, I do my makeup first, because I don't want anything, it's gonna stop me from doing my makeup properly if I have it on before my makeup. So this is my favorite. Oh, this fringe just goes with anything, anywhere, any dress, any occasion. It just falls into place. My girl, you need to have this fringe. It's a lifesaver. So it just makes you look good, even though it's not too much. It's just simple. All you need to do is just moisturize it, and it's good to go. So I later put my fringe way up because I found out that it's too close to my eyebrows. So here I am taking it up. Dun dun dun. And look at this. That's just all you need to do. And like I said before, you can always put a ponytail in your bun or in your updos, whatever works for you. But this is it. It's cute, it's beautiful, and I'm ready to step out. So tell me guys, what do you think? Would you try this? If you try this, tag me, like, share, subscribe please. Thank you for watching this video, and yeah, I am stepping Remember
Remember
to
to
spread
spread
love
hair.
and
Thank
kindness.
you. Bye.